Edward made his promise a long time ago, long before he met me. And though he may harbour some regrets, I believe he will be happy in the knowledge that he's done his duty and kept his word. After all that is bewitching in the idea of one's happiness depending entirely on one person, it's not always possible. We must accept. Edward will marry Lucy and you and I will go home.
Always resignation and acceptance. Always prudence and honour and duty. Where is your heart?
What do you know of my heart? What do you know of anything but your own suffering? For weeks, Marianne, I've had this pressing on me without being at liberty to speak of it to a single creature. I've had it forced upon me by the very person whose prior claims ruined all of my hopes. I've had to endure her exaltation again and again, knowing myself to be divided from Edward forever. Believe me, Marianne, had I not been bound to silence, I could have produced proof enough of a broken heart. Even for you,